Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Now driving in the center median. We're eastbound on Harbor, just east of Seaward. Looks like he's come to a stop wrong way.
Miles, Fuchs! Miles, Fuchs! Miles, Fuchs! Stop moving! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, don't move! Stay right there. Gun behind us.
This was a rapidly evolving incident. Here is the video again, at full speed, with notes about key events on screen.
Now driving in the center median. We're eastbound on Harbor, just east of Seaward. Looks like he's come to a stop wrong way.
Miles, Fuchs! Miles, Fuchs! Miles, Fuchs! Stop moving! Get on the ground! Get on the ground, don't move! Stay right there. Gun behind us.
In this frame-by-frame breakdown of the primary officer's body-worn camera, you can hear the shot fired from the suspect and see a muzzle flash from his handgun. The suspect continues to turn toward the officer, pointing his handgun in the officer's direction. The officer fires 3 rounds, at which point you see the suspect fall to the ground. There's a short break in gunfire. The suspect gets up, turns to run, and the handgun is on the ground. The suspect attempts to pick up the handgun. The officer fires 4 more rounds. The suspect begins to fall, gets up a second time to continue fleeing until falling to the ground for the final time.